Today we are just east of Asheville, North Carolina. I have a gorgeous new listing to show you. This is brand new construction by Myers Mountain Builders. The finishes are insane. Great floor plan, tons of detail. Let's check it out. As you step into this house, you'll immediately notice the volume of the space. We have a soaring double height foyer, grand wide hallway here, and of course these gorgeous engineered 8-inch white oak floors. The kitchen in this home is a true one of one. We'll start with this gorgeous oversized island. It is clad in Calcutta Storm Gold quartz tops that waterfall down the edge. There's a fluted white oak detail on the front that I absolutely love. Of course, we have the KitchenAid appliance package highlighted by the gas range. And I love the neutral backsplash that they've chosen to really blend all of this together. The living room features vaulted ceilings, a gas fireplace with custom cast stone mantle, and bespoke arched built-ins. The primary suite has some amazing features, including a vaulted ceiling, big walk-in closet with custom built-in shelving, and the bathroom features double vanities, a freestanding tub, and zero-entry walk-in tile shower. I love the finish detail in this laundry room. The builder added a beautiful butcher block countertop and floating shelves that also double as pantry storage. And upstairs, we have a bonus room perfect for a home office or flex space. Enjoy effortless outdoor living on this amazing covered patio that features a gas fireplace and built-in vented grill. 251 Beechtree Road delivers unbeatable finishes at an incredible value. I'm Alec Cantley. Thank you for watching.